Hello everybody, my name is Dean the Wolf, and today we are going to be doing the Rubik's Cube once again, yes. Now, I did two sides, but not on camera. So, I'm going to try to do the white. I'm going to do the white. Oh, I almost got two, see? One, then there's two right there. Okay, good. Just need to look all around. I don't know what to do. I got so much stuff. Like, I don't know what to do right now because I got so much stuff. Like, so many colors. I'm losing my breath. Why? Gonna move that down like that. Now, I'm gonna move this up. Then I'm gonna move this up. And then I'm gonna turn it. Oh, I can't speak. Okay, guys. I don't know what color I should do. I think I might have to do the white. It's so stiff. Yes. Okay. We're off to a good start. We got this. Now this is where we were at. So if I move that there, I could bring that up. And then look at your boy go. Look. One more color to go. Okay, if I move that up like that. Move that up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. Your boy got one color down. Look at it. Woo! I'm hyped up now. Woo! I just got one color on the Rubik's Cube, you guys. So now I'm going to try to get two sides for you guys, because I did it yesterday when it wasn't on camera. I'm gonna try. There's one. There's two. I'm gonna try to get the green, you guys. Perfect. Just look at my hands, you guys. Look at my hands go. Look. Your boy did it again. I'm almost getting the green. So, if I move that down, what would that make? Is there another green? There's not. Okay, I'm gonna move that back. I'm gonna move this up and then that. Is there another green up top? And damn it! Okay. We're off to a good almost ending because, yeah. So look at this, you guys. So that's what we've done so far. What should we do next? Your boy got one more color to go, guys. Your boy. Okay, we're pretty close. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are back, and we're ready. Okay, so I'm starting to do the green. So if I move that up like that, and I move this like that, what would happen if... I don't know what to do. I have no idea what I'm doing, okay. I don't know what to do, you guys. I mean, like, okay, I got the green. I'm trying to get the green so bad. Let me do the yellow. I'm wasting too much time on the green. Let me just do the yellow. Perfect. Okay. So this is what I'm doing, you guys. I almost got 3 sides. I got almost the green, orange, but this don't have it. All the colors. It just has some. So that's what. Okay. So you see, what was I doing? I'm doing the yellow. Okay. So you guys can see. You pull. Just for beginners, if you have a Rubik's Cube, you just have to follow my fingers, okay? Okay, so what you gotta do, you gotta pull that up, and then you gotta look for the sides. And there's no sides, so you have to pull that back where it was. So if you pull it back like this, and then you will get... Let me just do the white again, you guys. I think I did 2 colors already, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but I'm gonna do the white. See, you gotta follow my fingers, you guys. Okay, here we go. So if I move that up there, that means that this one won't go here, because if that one goes there, because watch, it would just go to the other side, see? So that's what you don't want to do. So if you're a beginner, you guys can go check my channel out. I did another video on the Rubik's Cube. I think I need to move that. Wait a minute. What happens if I do that? No. If I do that, it still won't work. Okay, I think I might have to move this up. No. I don't know what to do right now, you guys. I got nothing. Unless if I move that, and then I move that, and then I got... can't do it. So, if I can't do that, let me try this. If there's another... Okay, I don't know what to do, you guys. I need to hurry up this video. In the last video of the Rubik's Cube, I said goodbye. I was trying to say goodbye because my iPod only could do 15 minutes. And yeah, so I have enough time. Okay, let me try to do the blue, you guys. I'm gonna do the blue. Okay. So if you can't do the blue, and then, yeah, so... Okay. Okay, so we almost got the blue. I'm gonna try to do the blue for you guys. Dang it. So if I move that up, no. I'm just gonna do this. There. Eventually I will get something. Guys want me to do the white again? I'm gonna do it. See, okay, I'm gonna follow you guys by step, okay. So, if you guys want the white, like what I'm doing right here, all you have to do is you gotta pull this down like that, see? You gotta pull it down like that, so it was like this, and then you gotta pull up like that, and then you have to, actually no, I'm gonna move, see, you gotta move this up top like that. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna move it down or up. I don't know what to do. Okay. Okay, you guys, I think this might be my last time. This is gonna be my last color for the night. And so, you guys, how's your day been going? My day's been. How's your Monday doing? Mine was good. Mine is doing good, I should say. Very, very good. This is already a 12-minute video. Okay. Gonna try. Dang it! I got nothing. I made an I, and then if you turn it over here, it's an H. Well, so I'm gonna pause it at, I think I'm gonna stop it there, I guess, because I can't do any color. Well, I did one color, you guys, that's all I can do. I did this color in the beginning of the video, and yeah, so now I can't get another color. So guys, I guess that's it for today. Click down there to subscribe if you haven't, and look up there for my previous video. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe down there right now. If you haven't, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Oh, and comment. Bye-bye.